Hey guys, good morning. This is Sabir, and today I'm going to explore Carbon Tactical. It's a e-commerce platform in the shoe niche, especially they works on boots. Uh, the organic traffic is losing. That's why I am going to explore why actually they are losing their traffic, but they are gaining organic traffic. It's 6.6% they gained organic traffic, while they loses 53% traffic. So this actually happened when a site loses high volume keywords, high search volume keywords, then they loses traffic, but the sites continuously gaining new keywords. So their organic keywords is increasing, but the traffic is dropping. So let's explore the page speed insights first. Yeah, its performance is very poor. We SEO guys expect at least 80 in performance score for mobile and desktop, but here is 31 and desktop is 41. So my VPN is on. So I'm exploring these sites from US location, and look at the all of the metrics they need to work. So here JavaScript, they can save 26 kilobyte, but look at the image delivery. They can, if they optimize, they have 110 images, which is over 100 KB in size. So if they can work on those images, they can increase their site speed, and their web images are in JPG format, which should be in WebP format. They have some minor issues on font display, render blocking requests. Look at some issues also here. So yeah, if they can, oh, the core web vitals assessment is failed. So I'm sure the website owners is getting notification in Google Search Console. So they need to pass the core web vitals, because this is one of the major ranking factor, the core web vitals. Now let's move on to the. So yeah, I already told you that 110 images are over 100 kV. Here is the images list. Look at the image. It's PNG, JPEG, JPG. All the images are indexable. Look at the site. Look at the size. 1.2 KB. Oh my God. 1.3 MB, 1.2 MB, 150 KB, 463 KB, 2 MB. My God. Let's see. Yes, the website is built on Storedon. I haven't worked on Storedon yet. Okay, this image size is very high. Okay, let's move on to the backlink profile, the most interesting part in this audit is backlink profile and their content audit. These two are most interesting. This will be most interesting in my audit report. And look at here, the toxicity score is 100 and authority score is 2. Look at the toxicity score. So why the toxicity score is high? Look at here, IP. The link comes from the same IP address as other linking domains. So this website is getting multiple links from same IP address, and those are identified as PBN links. I'm not sure. Google actually, nowadays, Google are very smart, but let's see what actually those links are doing, how they placed those links. This is a content link, advanced mobile app marketing tactics from e-commerce brand, but here is the link. This is most relevant, irrelevant link. This is not relevant. This is not relevant, and I am pretty much sure this is a website in PBN network. Look at here. They are generating a lot of contents. And this is the guy. This is very low quality PBN. I believe still by PBN a website can rank, but we need to work on PBN network very efficiently, and because nowadays Google is very much smart. So if we can build our private look from this website, a lot of domain got backlinks. So this is not actually private network. This is one kind of public network. And let's see other backlinks. Same type of content. Same type of content. So they are getting a lot of link from PBN network. And let's explore the anchor text. Maybe I use this ratio for anchor text. And what actually they are doing, they are getting 1000, oh my god, 25 domains. They're getting 25 domains empty anchor text, and 111 domains in their direct homepage link. This is one of their domain. They actually redirected this domain to this link. Yeah, they did a messy in their anchor text proportion. So they need to work on anchor text also. Let's see about the blog post. What actually they are doing in their blog post. Look at the blog post. No date here, no author bio here. So on the heading, we always looking for date, published date, last edited date, and author link. Who actually wrote this blog? Yeah, let's do main corps combat boot requirements and standard, main tactical footwear. Okay, durability. Let's on the backlink highlighter. Link highlighter. So this is internal link, authorized boots, and also heading highlighter. So under is 2, the other is 3. Yeah, is 2. They want to establish this information. Main corps approves boots from several manufacturers. So then they need to link up a source link here, because Google always, if you want to establish any information or any ports, you always need to mention an external links. So if they want to mention here, so they need to provide a source link here also. And look at here, the first one. The main corps approved several boot models. Where actually they approved? Does there any web page available? So the website owner should, or the writer should link up the external links here. Look, most of the people, or most of the SEO people don't want to place any external link in their blog post. But in my opinion, I'm not asking you to place an external link from your competitor. You can place organizational or edu type external link, or this government type external link, so that your website get more authority. Google will trust that the writer researched about this. The writer went to the main corps boot approval page, so they can link up here. And I found some EEAT weakness here. Who provides the field insights? Active duty persons, veteran, trainer, boot fitter? Who? Any real world test method like mileage, terrain, load weight, climate, time period, any course, anonymized testimonials or observation notes, any original images from testing? Current images are generic soldier images, just soldier images. Those are not testing images. And most of the internal links went to the product page. So this informational page looks like salesy. They are like doing force to purchase their product to the readers. And here I have found intent mismatch here. They talk about Marine's boot. but the content looks like it talks about tactical boot guide. So what the title promises, what tactical footwear do the Marines use? But the content doesn't clearly answer, do Marines have an official list? Issued versus optional purchase? Commonly used boot types by environment? How choice differs by MOS, training, base, climates. So this should be fixed. In the FAQ section, I've seen some problem. The Marine Corps approved boots from several manufacturers. Need source link here. And that's all about the content issue. And I'm pretty much sure these issues I will find every blog post. Every blog post they posted. How many blog posts they posted here? So it will be difficult to count. It will consume our time. So let's move on. Let's move on the schema. So here is a product link. Look at the product schema. The schema here. On the product page, they have two product schema and uncategorized your JSON LD. So two product schema, there is name, images, type, name, image, description. Where's the offer, price? Okay, the product schema is okay. Here is another product schema. I don't think so. I don't think so. This schema is valid. This second product schema is not valid here. And uncategorized error. So they have error on JSON LD, and this is very common error for this website. So all the product pages have this type of error. Let's see about their blog post schema. No item detected. So they need to work on schema massively. As nowadays, let's see about how actually LLM crawlers found this. Yeah, they are cited 428 pages, but if they work on schema, they will get a better result in cited pages, and it will increase the mentions also. So the schema is a major problem in this website because the LLM crawlers or Google crawlers, when crawls our websites, they actually don't see our website as we human sees. So they always read the codes where we mentioned this is title, this is H2, this is images, this is price, this is description. So we need to mention all of these so the crawler can read fast and index our website properly. And let's see about. So I have seen in the blog post that a lot of internal link they used. Look at here. They used US Department of Defense link. Yes, I was talking about this type of external links. Those increases authority. So in our previous blog post, I have seen that they have used a lot of internal links, which is good, but we can't audit those internal links depthly now. This is the only summary audit. So let's move on to the EEAT issue. I want to talk about EEAT issues of this website because they have major EEAT issue signals. They haven't created any about us or our story or teams or credential pages visible in their dedicated trust asset. So Google's own guidance for helpful, reliable content explicitly calls out background about the author of the site. So including a site about page and author page links as trust signal. So who owns or operate the US stores, company history, headquarters, US operations, what is the manufacturing process, what is the quality assurance standards they maintain, if they have any certifications, or if they have any editorial ownership for their blog post, they should mention in the about section. So, and also I have experienced a low first-hand experience proof in content. Google's first because actually people first guidance asks whether the content demonstrate first-hand experience or expertise actually using the products. Who uses the product? Field testing notes, durability testing, lab results, fit notes by food type, SOC system, break-in guidance based on actual use, UGC photos, verified buyer reviews, mission or job specific. The photos they have used general army type photos. So they should use the actual photo. And what I can remember, yes, block covers authoritative topics without clear sourcing. I already talked about this. And yeah, I found some aggressive promo pop-ups coming. So they need to reduce it because the website is looking like salesy. And what actually the positive side of this website, based on EEAT audit, a clear phone number, location showed on the blog hub, links to core help or policy areas like shipping, returns, warranty, etc. are present in the footer navigation. Yeah, that's all at this moment. And if the website owner wants an in-depth audit for their website, I can do it for them. Yeah, it takes time. Because the videos I'm going to upload, it's about 15 to 20 minutes. And if I do an in-depth audit, it could be around 50 slides. So I will mention each and every detail in my audit report. If the website owner or the chief of operation wants the audit report, yeah, I can also provide them audit report. That's all now. See you next time in any of audit video. Till then, bye bye.